Welcome to this next tutorial in Report Tools and Parts. In this tutorial I'll be looking at referencing, specifically putting in footnotes or endnotes, as well as inserting a bibliography and formatting it using hanging indents. So first of all, really quickly, the footnotes or endnotes, the purpose of which is to allow an author to source other people's materials so that they don't plagiarize or steal those ideas, so they can give people credit for that work, and then let the readers of the report or the other document know where that material came from. The bibliography itself then also lists all the sources that were used in preparation of the report. So, a couple of quick examples of what a footnote would look like. This is a large footnote sitting in here, and it's formatted using indentation on the left and on the right. Just pull the handles in to set the indentation once the text is selected. If I can grab that handle, select my text, grab the handle and pull it in, and you can see it indents it. Usually it's ½ an inch on the right and ½ an inch on the left. If it's a shorter quote, you simply put in the quotation marks. And I already quoted this top one, so I'll show you how to put in a footnote for this. You go to the References tab, go to the Footnotes ribbon, insert Footnote button. The 2 appears there because it's my second footnote, and Word automatically numbers those, and type in whatever reference material you need for this footnote. That material also came from the bibme.org website, and that's as simple as what it is for putting in a footnote or a endnote. If you want an endnote, you simply click the endnote button instead of the footnote button. For inserting a bibliography, bibliographies are generally formatted with hanging indents, single-space paragraphs, and single-space between the paragraphs, like this. You can see my screen codes are turned on. So I'm going to go down to the bottom here and show you 2 ways of formatting bibliography entries using the paragraph dialog box and also using the ruler. So I need some text, so I'm going to give myself 2 paragraphs of text with about 3 lines apiece, and there we go. So that's enough text to make a couple of bibliographies out of. In the first case, I'm going to pick my bibliography entry. I'm going to go up and I'm just going to pull the hanging indent over, and usually the first line indent, the top one, comes with it. So I'll just set it back, and there's my first entry. And notice also that if I was to look at my page layout, this paragraph is spaced with after spacing, and it's probably a good idea to set that spacing to 0 so that you can manually control that. And there you go. So that would be my first entry. If I wanted to do more of these, so let's make this into 2. Pick all of your entries. So the second method is using the paragraph dialog box. Pick your bibliography information, and go to the Page Layout tab, go to the Paragraph ribbon, go to the dialog box launcher. In the indentation area, set the special indentation to hanging. 0.5 is the default, so that's okay. Set your line spacing to single. Set your spacing after to match your font size. In my case, I'm working with 12-point font, so I'm going to set my spacing after to be 12, and I'll go OK. And there I have those 2 also set up. If I turn off my screen codes, you can see that I've got basically exactly the same format, 2 different methods. Thank you for watching this video on inserting footnotes, endnotes, and formatting bibliography entries. Have a good day.